Alright guys, well, we're finally bringing this thing back to the channel. Our buddy Steve hit me up and he said he could repair it for us, so that's what we're gonna do. It doesn't have string in it. That's the only thing we haven't installed on the front end and the sway bar, so we're gonna install the steering, and then after that, tomorrow it's gonna get picked up by a tow truck, and then we're gonna go to Steve's place and I'm gonna try to record some of it, but we'll see. But as soon as the floors are fixed, then we can kind of start really cannonballing on this thing. Yeah, this is flipped up. I won't tell you why. If you know, you know. We have steering.
Hell yeah, boys.
So we're ready for tomorrow. So we'll see you guys tomorrow when we go drop this shit off and yeah, get started on finally fixing the floors.
The next day.
Up like that?
Yeah.
It's fine.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Shit box is all loaded up. Deck lid's off. The whole front end's off of it because we don't really want this shit to go flying off. So yeah, we're gonna go head over to my buddy Steve's house. So I'll see you guys when we get to Steve's house. Sheesh. Alright, well, we just got to Steve's house and he basically told us he'll be able to fix it, but it's fucked up.
It is fucked, but I mean, it's an old car.
It is what it is on that one, huh?
I mean, I've looked at worse, you know?
Well, you know what? That's good to hear. That's good to hear.
So, yeah, Steve's gonna start working on it. I'm gonna try to pop by when I can. He's a little far from me, but I'll probably come out here one day and try to record as much as possible. But hopefully, this thing will finally get the floors fixed on it, and we can finish it up. So.
1 week later.
So, has it been bad or what?
You know, this section right here, it had, in one hole, it had three patches.
Yeah.
So it's like someone got, you know, one piece and they found a piece. It was like sheet metal from air conditioning. And they're like, oh man, I don't have a big enough piece. So then they put another one on top, and then they freaking, I don't know.
But it's like, it's weird how like the moisture got in between, huh? Just ruined it.
It's kind of what, I mean, what's gonna happen if if they're not welded, it's not sealed. Because they literally stacked it like this on top of each other. Yeah. So yeah, whatever's gonna
is that front pan bad still, or is that?
It's not too bad. I'm gonna grind it down and see what it looks like underneath.
Yeah.
Because I was gonna try to do the same thing with the front up there, where I can grind it down and see what it looks like, but then it was rusted through over there.
It was bad.
Yeah.
So this side's basically done, right? Well, it's not done, but it's rough in there.
It's cut in. It's the back part's fitted in.
Yeah.
So you see, like, you know, the line here.
Yeah.
So I'll just
weld it,
and then I have to, you know, adjust it and it's hot as hell.
and get in there.
Yeah, get in there, weld it. So I'm about up to like right about here.
Yeah.
And then I gotta take it, because you know you gotta go in, out, in, out, in, out.
Fit it a million times, huh?
Take it out, yep, take it out, and then I'll start from over there to the front. Whoa. But yeah, that front part, like I said, I was trying to stay away from replacing.
But it's pretty bad.
Yeah, gotta get rid of it.
Hopefully this front other side's not too bad, huh?
Yeah. So like I said, I gotta grind it down, see what it looks like. It's got a bunch of shit right there, but.
All right, then let's get to it. Oh yeah, so junk, huh?
This is like, you know, a patch, and then there's another one in
there. Yeah.
So the patch, and then patch.
3 times the charm, right? Then you gotta cut it all out. Alright guys, well I'm dirty, I didn't really do shit, Steve did most of it, but the floors are now completely out. The spot welds are kind of grinded down. We have to make, well Steve's gonna make these little inserts out of like nuts or whatever. What are you thinking?
Do some nut certs, basically. I'm gonna get like a washer, weld it into there, and then we'll put some nut certs inside there.
Yeah.
So if they ever go bad, we can just drill them out and put some new nut certs in.
Exactly, so that's kind of it. Probably gonna come back on Thursday at some point, which is probably like 3 or 4 days from now, and see what more progress we have. But I think at this point it's just he's got to do the hard part, which is fit it, put it on a million times, and then weld it.
Take it in, take it out, take it in, take it out.
So yeah, I'll see you guys in a couple days. All right, well we're back at Steve's house. He's kind of got one floor basically done, but he ran out of welding gas. So at this point today, I think, well Rob's here too, he's pretty stoked. And today we're gonna, I guess, fit this floor in. Well, Steve's gonna fit the floor, and I think me and Rob are either gonna start cleaning this back metal to paint it, or we'll figure something out. Oh, you'll give us a job, right?
You're gonna fit this floor in. You're gonna learn how to fit a floor in.
So we're trying to get this shit to fit, and like everything with cars, nothing really works right, you know, or easy. You know what I mean? But we're trying to fit this thing up, so we're gonna cut up there, right, Steve? Basically.
Yeah. So basically, what we're gonna do is try to get this down, the supports across here.
Yeah.
So we'll drill some holes in here, put some screws in there to hold it down as much as possible, and then just start working our way up, cutting, and then taking it out, cut a little bit more, take it out, cut a little bit more, until we can get it totally flat.
So you get it like this, basically.
Yeah.
Worst part, huh?
Worst part is fitting.
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 A million and one times, huh?
Oh, yeah, take it in, out, in, out, in, out.
Steve's letting us fuck this side up, you know what I mean, huh, Steve? Gotta learn somehow.
Exactly. My favorite thing is...
That's my work right there. Those couple, those are mine. So what, after this we start trimming it?
Do the front. Just do the front just a little bit.
I think that's everything. Or is that it? Or is there one more?
Should be good.
Think I gotta hit that one, or should it be fine?
Yeah, hit that one right there.
See all the holes? That's me fucking up. Alright.
Alright, so
I didn't do those two. I did that one. I'll give you that.
alright.
It's not too bad.
It's not too bad, but weight reduction, alright?
Yeah, speed holes.
Light as fuck, boys.
So yeah. Steve marked it up in the back to give us an idea where it's gone. We have it all like tack screwed in basically to get fitment. So now take it off, cut it up, and do it 1,000,001 times.
So now I gotta get here and cut here, and then I can go back.
Yeah. Fucking basically. Yeah. Alright, well, me and Rob have to head out because it's getting late and we have like an 1.5 hour drive home. But Steve is gonna keep basically taking it in, taking it out, and then when he's got the fitment in, he'll weld it. He says he's gonna film a little bit of the welding, so I'll roll that. But next time you should see this is back at Rafa's house and us sitting in it, pretending like it's a fucking race car ready to go, baby. So we'll see you guys when we're getting it back. Real quick though, thank you, Steve.
No worries, man.
Legend. Here you go.
All right, brother.
All right,
Take care.
brother. See you later.
set, and then probably put another little coat on top of it. Kind of smooth it out. Just did this with my finger. But
the Eagle has landed. The shit box is back. The floors are fixed. Steve seam sealed it, and it's fucking legit. Like,
You did a great ass job, dude.
so huge shout out to you, Steve. Thank you for hooking it up. Appreciate you, man. So now the next step for this thing is, I guess we're gonna scuff the floor and pour 15 it, raptor line the bottom, and then it's starting to like plumb, wire, fuel pump. We'll probably spend a day to take all the old crap off so we start from brand new, but it's finally coming together. So yeah. All right, so yeah, guys, huge progress on the Nova.
Oh shit.
We're gonna try our best to get it done for duct tape drags, but if it doesn't make it, it doesn't make it. Same thing with my truck. I'm really starting to get annoyed waiting for parts, but finally, dude? I thought this day would never come.
Honestly, yeah, just everyone was booked up, and then Steve
Hooked it
the
up,
next
came in
Messiah
clutch.
came in and fixed my floor. So huge shout out to that guy. Amazing. He helped us
Go
out so
follow
much.
Steve. I'll link his stuff in the description. But dude, the floor looks good. But yeah, so we're probably gonna do another episode on this thing because I think next week we'll probably do the floor.
Yeah.
Pour 15 the floor. And yeah, we're just kind of waiting for my stuff for the truck, and that's really it. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Shout out to Steve. And this thing doesn't have the Flintstone mod anymore. So also to all the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing. Follow along. We're building the shit Nova. I got my Chevelle and I got my C10. So hope you guys enjoy the content. Oh, and then maybe something new soon if everything works out. We'll see.
Fingers crossed.
We'll see. But all right, see you guys later.